You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at t-shirt printing business. This is one lucrative business that so many are ignoring. Some are shying away from it because they don't have full knowledge on how to run this business. Let's look at the equipment required and the cost. The prices of this equipment, I got it from GG and Konga, so you can also verify. Now, you can see the first one is heat transfer machine. This one will impress the printing on the t-shirt through heat transfer. Although it's electrical equipment, so you will need power, the generator. You can get in one machine that can do this too. Now, let's look at the next one, screen printer. This is another equipment that you need. And then we come to a generator to power these equipments. Now, the generator, you can buy the one of 200,000 naira. It will certainly power this equipment. In starting a business, there are things that are unforeseen. For instance, the sublimation ink and the sublimation paper and other small things that you need to buy and put in place. So I group those things to be 100,000. Now, if you total that, you have 870,000 naira. You can actually start with less than this amount because you may decide to buy only this machine that will serve this dual purpose, and then you forgo other printing businesses. But for your printing business to be complete and run very well, you need these machines, and then you start from there. Now let's look at the profitability of the business. How lucrative is this business? How much can we make a day, and then a month, and then we now project for a year? Now let's assume that you bought quality t-shirt for 1,200, and then you customize it. The cost of customizing in your shop is 200 naira, and then the transportation and other things 100 naira. You must always put this transportation and other expenses, and then you put it as selling price to be 2,000 naira. Now if you calculate this, you find out that the cost will be total cost is 1,500 minus it from the 2,000 naira selling price. You make 500 naira per t-shirt. Now let's assume that in a month, because you are a beginner, you were able to print or customize up to 200 shirts. Up to 200 shirts. That means 500 naira, 200 shirts times this 500 naira. This will give you 100,000. Clear one. As simple as that. For a month, as a beginner, there's no way you will open your shop and always go out to look for customers or business that you will not get this 200 clothes printed. Now this one, for us to make this design and make all this write-up, we paid the printer 2,500 naira per t-shirt. This is just for my child. Now the one for adult, 2,500. This one was 2,000 naira, as small as this, and people were happy because the quality was good, and then the design was good, so everybody bought it. And so we are not just calculating, we are not just doing what we don't know. I'm calculating what I have done, what I have paid somebody to do for me. And now, do you know the worst thing? The worst part was that we later found out that the man is even a middleman. That means collected a contract from us, went to the printer, did the job, collected his profit. The printer made his profit. That means this amount is really low. It's really within the range, because the printer who did the job for him also collected his cut and made his own profit. Now, if you are buying the t-shirt, the empty, uncustomized t-shirt, and you go to the factory, to the companies where these ones, or to the importers, you're going to get it very low because you buy in bulk. Now, when you come to customizing, you make your profit very easy. It's a very easy, lucrative business that you can step in and make good profit. I tell you the truth. Let's quickly take a look at the factors that determine your success in this business. Number one is quality. Quality is king. Quality is the key. If I pay 200,000, if I pay you 200,000 naira and you did not deliver good job, you did not do a good job for me, I will not come again. I will not recommend. I will even campaign against you. That is how it works. But if you deliver, if you get me a good job, then am the one that will tell your customers will advertise for you. So quality is king in every business. Number 2 is location. Now, locating your business is one thing that you shouldn't be in a hurry. You have to carefully carry out a market survey. Now, there are strategic locations that this business flourish. Number 1 is close to a university. Close to a university. If you can site your business close to a university, if you site your business close to a university, you are going to make money. I tell you, because a lot of students will come to customize personal clothes, and that you will charge more. Now, another strategy that works within the university is that every final year exam you have more customers, because each department may like to just, the student like to put on one type of white t-shirt that people will sign on that is customized. And so that one will also, let's assume that you approach 2, 4, 10 departments and they come to print from you. They give you maybe, now each department may be just 50, 100, 150. Now, if you have 6, 5, 20 departments that are coming to customize their white t-shirt for people to sign on their final paper on the day of their, of their final exam, you have money. You have more customers. You will work and get tired. So it's a very strategic location, university, for this business, close to the university. You don't need to go inside. Just get it close and make it known to them. So this is one strategic location. Another strategic location is, it may not be in the city where you have high competition, but if you are citing this business that is not in the city, then you have to cite it in a local government headquarter. Make sure you cite it in a local government headquarter, because it's going to help you. I tell you, it's going to help you, because that is where everybody in that local government, everybody head to the headquarters. Everybody move to that place. Campaigns are done there. Business and all kind of transactions, everything is the headquarters. So within your local government headquarter, or any local government headquarter that that is a little bit populated, go there, get there. Now in Nigeria, there are semi-cities. There are places that are not as open or big as Lagos or Port Harcourt, Ibadan, or all the major cities in Nigeria, but they are populated. You can cite your business there also. So these are strategic locations that you can cite your business. You can also cite your business in a very populated market. You will get customers there. But you don't cite the business inside the market. It should be at a strategic location in the market, where when buyers are coming, when people are coming into the market, they will pass one of the road that leads to the market. Yes, that would be a very good strategic location for this business. Having said that, let's move to the price. You don't need to charge 5,000 naira for one t-shirt. You don't need to charge 4,000 naira. Once they add this 5,000 naira we calculated, once they add the 500 naira we calculated initially as profit, please collect and start the work. Get the job done. Don't look for more high profit for one item. No, you will not. You will lose customers. So you have to be strategic and fast. Be smart. Now, number 3 is time. If I want the job to be done on Friday, please get the job delivered on Friday. If I want that job in 1 week and you cannot meet up, say it clearly that this job I cannot deliver on Friday because of this and this. If you give me more 2 days, be sincere. So time of delivery is very, very important. It's very, very important in this business. Now let's look at advert. You cannot just open a business and fold your hands. You have to advertise. Now, for you to go on air in Nigeria, it requires a lot of things. But social media has made it easy for everyone, every small business to advertise. And so you can keep posting your design, keep posting your work on social media. You can open a YouTube channel, a TikTok, and go on TikTok, go on Facebook, all the social platforms. Go there, advertise the business. Display your talent. I tell you that you're going to attract good customers. Have you heard of this? Who you know is better than what you know. In this business, who you know is better than what you know. You may be an expert in the business, in design, in printing. But if you don't have that connection, imagine those who printed, who customized the T-shirt used by some of the major politicians in Nigeria during the campaigns. You can imagine how much they made. So who you know in this business matters a lot. Connection.